want to show you the district dashboard. This is an overview of the work that you all have done at the district. And this shows that there are over 7,300 sessions taken so far this year. I can't even begin to explain to you how phenomenal. To me, this doesn't just say that people are using software, like that's fine. This tells me that people have built habits, that they have deep belief that that habit is impactful, and that there's like a cycle of that because they are continuing to do this every single day. So of these, 6,725 have been feedback, whereas there have been almost 600 self-reflection sessions, which is also really interesting to see. Most schools have visited almost every teacher at their school. But you can see here that at Live Oak, for example, 100% of teachers have been visited. And then we can see the number of sessions at each school. So just seeing, Barton Middle School with almost 700, Simon Middle School with almost, 660. So really just unbelievable consistency. And it's funny because then it makes these other schools that still have over 100 sessions, which is also phenomenal. They look like they're the low adopters, but they're still phenomenal adopters. So it's just, I get really fired up looking at this. And finally, I'll just show you, this is session types per school. So this just shows you the different type of data that's being collected so that if we did want to drill deeper into, where are people doing some of that self-reflection and learn from where, people are really taking the autonomy to drive this where they want. For example, Barton Middle School doing some self-reflections, and then also Simon doing some of those narrative. We see that the folks are making choices for themselves. And so I wanted to just share this data with you, and maybe just summarizing, over 7,000 sessions is phenomenal.
I'm just excited to see the use, and that our culture of walkthroughs has continued for the visibility side of things.
But really, I think to the point of being a high flyer, being on the top end of that list is highly visible. The students know, the teachers know to expect campus administrators, and it's a culture of learning and a culture of growth, and we're going to work to get better. There's something that everybody can work on, and that's the culture that's set up at the campuses.
And what I see the positive from this is the C&I team, the content support specialist and the campus support specialist now can mine the data and go in and find themes and actually go in and support in the moment a lot quicker. So instead of waiting till the end of the year and then having professional development in the summertime, we can address the problem and provide support a lot quicker than we used to.